Hey lovelies, it's your girl Swan Creator bringing to you a brand new video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Thanks so much for giving this video a try. I hope you stick around and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and click that little bell so you'll always be notified when a new video comes out. Hey! So this video, guys, I'm going to play with... Oh wait, awkward. Air dry clay again. So remember the video when I created these little guys to hold my pens? Right, so I got this big jar. I didn't need this big jar, so I used it in with my students, and it still has a bit left, and it's about to dry out. So yeah, it's about to dry out. It's like not as soft as it used to be. Ooh, it's still kind of soft. So I want to use it for something, and right now my latest obsession is with Fran Maid. Oh my gosh, I love her. She has so much good advice, and she's just so adorable and cute. And I was like, yeah, and she has these pins she made with clay, and I want that. Well, I want to make that, so I am. So I've learned some things from the last clay adventure I had. My fingers, they stick on everything. So since I don't it on my desk, I have some, let's put this more to the side. I have some, what do I call this? Parchment paper, food grade parchment paper. I'm gonna tape it down to protect my surface with. It will also make it not stick so much. Let's tape that down. Okay, so it's stick. Maybe I should do some on top as well. Top here and on the bottom. Good. So now the paper is barely going anywhere. So to make these pens, you first need some designs. And I was going through my little sketchbook, and no sneak peek yet, you guys have to wait. And I shared this page to, oh my gosh, my niece and my nephew. But I shared this page to the Instagram of my bun, so cute. And this idea came about because of Bailey Say's song of I'm in the ducky swimming in the water. It's just so cute. And I was just trying to come up with a little ducky. I like the shape of this head, but the eyes are just weird. So I'm going to do this expression instead. But I'm doing Bun and this and some other characters as well. I don't know. So I just know Bun, and this cutie has no name for this cutie. Ducky, Duck, Donald. And yeah, so I can't get it out of this book onto the clay. So first off, just a moment. So to start off with, I drew the designs out on this tracing paper. So here we go. Drew the designs out on this tracing paper, and I cut it all out, and I got these pieces. Now this is when I roll out the clay. I will have like, oh, you can barely see it, but these are the stencils. People say you can use cardboard because I've looked up a lot of tutorials, and they say you can use cardboard, but I couldn't see through the cardboard, so that's why I'm using tracing paper. So these are designs I'm doing. I want to paint it with gouache, but gouache reactivates with water, and I want to put a glaze over it, a homemade glaze, by the way. Yeah, so also to roll out the clay, I got this toy roller from one of the plasticine sets from school, and I also got my clay tools, haven't been used since the last time, as well as water to smooth it out, and an X-Acto knife. really like this table that much anyway. So first, let's roll out. I keep saying it dough even though it's clay. So let's roll out the clay. I don't need this much. It's like this clay doesn't want to end. Okay. So okay, lovelies, I've finished doing all the designs, and no matter what I did to prevent the mess, I still created a mess. My hands were really messy after this, and one pin didn't make the cut, unfortunately. I think a part of it, the stem was too small, and yeah, it just didn't work out. So I was to cut that from the 10, and then I put I place another paper on top of it to help flatten it out, and that was a mistake, but you guys will see next day. So I put it on the side to dry, and then next morning when I took off the paper, all the things I did to make it smooth, yeah, it didn't work out. It was rough on top, so now I have to stand it all out. And yeah, apparently I didn't do these paintings right, because in the process of sanding, a lot of them broke. Yes, so as you can see here, a lot of them broke. I glued some back together, and hopefully the glue will have like a nice thing so I could paint over it, but this gone. This could work. Gone. So I'm left with 1 2 3 4 5 6. I'm left with 6. So I'm going to get my acrylic paints and paint these because I don't trust the gouache. So I'll be back with the acrylics. Yeah. So okay, lovelies, after painting these pins for a while, I had to eliminate 3 and throw them in the trash because they were trash, and then I was left with these 3, and they were my hope, my last hope. Okay, lovelies, so here is the final 3. I'm still not totally happy with it, except this one. This is so adorable. Look how cute the ducky. The ducky swimming in the water. And I'm not actually happy with this one as well. These 2. This one, the paint was too thick, so it wasn't my favorite. So here is the sketches that I end up. It's this one, the first one I ever made, and this one, the clay paint I made for this one, this broke, and I only made 1 ducky, and this is the one I made. Cute. Alright, cool. So I wanted to find the pin to put on the back so I could like pin it and stuff, but I didn't find none. But oh my gosh, okay, you know what, this paper is hideous. I don't need it anymore. There we go, much better. Okay, then go in the trash. But anyhow, look how cute the ducky. And this one is, oh. So maybe it's down to 2. But yeah, I'm really happy with I did this. I should say I'm happy that I did this experience, because I have a bad habit that everything I try, everything that I do for the first time, I should be good at it. That's not a good mindset to have, now is it? Because nobody came out the womb a fully grown human being knowing how to do everything, now did they? No. We first had to lay down, crawl, walk, learn to speak, all that nonsense. So I've learned a lot in my failure with this project, because as Try Guys said, you don't learn anything in success. Sorry about the noise. You don't learn anything in success, but you could learn a lot of things from failure. And boy, did I learn some stuff. So I am doling out my knowledge to you guys. Okay, so first off, don't use air dry clay. Or if you are using an air dry clay, use a better air dry clay. This air dry clay, it was alright, but my problem was the roller I was using at the beginning, cute, not functionable. It didn't roll out the clay even, so I had a lot of uneven clay, because look how this bend a little. And watch how thick this air is compared to this one. So I had a lot of uneven clay. Right, so make sure your clay is even. Good. With your design, don't make it too thin. Have a nice thick layer, because a lot of the pins that broke, look how thin they were. Watch how thin that was. So they broke because I rolled it out too thin. And get a thin brush for detail or a pen. I wanted to use a purple outline because I love how purple outlines looks in my illustrations. But I should have used the pen I used, my pencil case, my Tomboy Fonugatti, I don't even know how to pronounce that name, pen. I should have used that pen. Wait, do I have it here? No. So, should I use that pen instead? Also, this paper that I used, this tracing paper, I rest the clay on it to dry, and that was a big no-no, because how it was curling up, and that's how I got all these ridges in the back of the pins, like these. Yeah, the paper curled up underneath the clay, and oh my gosh, seriously, curled up underneath the clay, and it made it, that's why this kind of curve in, because the paper was curving the clay in. So these are my tips for you guys. Also, keep your design simple, because this was a complicated bee design I made. No. This one, no. This one, this is Swan. No. So keep it simple, guys. Keep it simple. And you guys could have a successful turn of clay pins instead of most of the disaster I did, because out of 10, 2 are great, 1 is okay. So I hope you guys learned from my failure, and I might try this again, but with polymer clay. And bake that nonsense and bake that, I don't want to say the S word, in the oven and see how it comes out. So look forward for me redoing this project in the future, because I'm so going to do it over with cuter designs. And I hope this video was helpful to you lovelies. Don't do what I did and have fun. This way you can make your own. Look how cute this ducky is. How cute. Anyhow, at least I have 2 I'm super proud of and 1 I'm okay with. So I hope you had fun watching my failure, lovelies, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Yeah. Become an official member of Team Lovely and support me over on Patreon. And I would like to thank Kaale and YK so much for supporting me. Hey!